Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Netflix movies on PC or laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, you can't do this from the browser. So if you're opening a browser and logging into Netflix, it won't work there. You're going to need to use the Netflix application, so you'll first want to download that from the Microsoft Store. Go to your search bar, type in Microsoft Store, and then open it up. Once it opens, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. Then you can search for the Netflix app. As you can see here, it's one of the top free apps, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Then I'm going to click on Get, and it will start downloading the Netflix application. Once it's downloaded, I'm going to click Open, and once the Netflix application opens, I'm going to click Sign In. After you're logged in, click on your profile, go to whatever movie or show you want, and hover over it. It will give you a downward arrow that you click on to download that video onto this application. You'll have it downloaded for offline use, so it's as simple as that. If you're finding that you can't download or you're having issues finding where to download videos on Netflix, check your account settings. This is where you have specific devices that might be set up as the only devices allowed to download. You're going to want to verify and double check that you can download on your computer. So, it's as simple as that. So that's basically how you can download Netflix movies on PC or laptop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.